Alright, so now I've made several videos in the past, no, two at least, about how there are many PC scams on, well, the internet. Now, even considering these days where the RAM prices are surging or sky high, for some reason, Nvidia won't stop shoving out AI through in our throats. Neither will AMD anymore. At least AMD is a bit more human. And essentially, PC building is now, well, really difficult for normal people. So consoles are also becoming expensive. Everything's becoming expensive. Gaming is becoming expensive. So I decided, you know what? Why not check Amazon again? Amazon India. See if things have changed. If things are still valid. Gaming PC under 50,000. Because most people know you won't get a system in 20K. But under 50K, it sounds more plausible. Huh. Gaming desktop PC with H110 motherboard. i3 6th gen processor, 8 GB of DDR3 RAM. It isn't the worst thing, but DDR3 is DDR3, right? It's, well, 256 gigs of SSD, fine enough, RGB cabinet, HDMI. Well, this isn't the first thing to exist. Alright, let's click on it. And basic gaming, then why do you have gaming desktop PC in your name? If that's the condition of your, well, gaming desktop PC, of it's for basic gaming, then why do you have gaming in the name? A normal person who would likely just get screwed over. Alright? Well, sure, there now people are advancing and are starting to search terms on Google, or in my case, Brave, and I'm sponsored by Brave, to see how fast the components are. Usually, there are still many people in the country who will not know what any of this is, and will likely not put in time and effort to search. This seems nice, alright? And for 54K, you get a 12th gen Intel. Alright. Alright. DDR4 CPU, what the hell? What's your graphics card, bro? Oh, this is the non version. You have the 3050s, you have the 3060s, and reasonably it's very expensive, but this is unjustifiable. 1 lakh 34 for something with a 3060 is just unbelievable. But since we're on the topic of Intel, why not just go to Intel? Sure, fine enough. The 11900KS. Anyways. Oh my gosh, it is them. Wow, these are the products they recommend, by the way. This is Amazon's recommended choice. Chist i7 gaming PC, Core i7, full. hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. 4770 processor, 16 gigs of RAM. Okay. It looks like they've invested a lot on the SSD. And I doubt that's DDR4, dude. I doubt that's DDR4. Whoa, what the fuck? Where is it? Oh, wow. This is how high you're willing to go, dude. Hmm. Memory. Aha, DDR3. How amazing. Graphics. Ho, ho, ho. This here, ladies and gentlemen. This, they like the RX 580 kind of a lot. You know, reasonably so. You should also like the RX 580 by a whopping 119%. It's not a bad thing, but for the what it consumes, like, hello, chill. But it's overall not worth it, in my opinion. It's really not worth it for this much. Like, how? How is this? You could spend like 5k more to get probably a better version of this PC, which is still not gonna be better because this is DDR3 and the only good thing here is the SSD. The processor here sucks too. It's not that bad, but it's underwhelming for the price. Oh wow, this is the worst offender. i7 860. This is 2013, 2015. It was released, I think. Oh yeah, they like posting their GT 730s and 710s on the constant or content. Like it's amazing to watch. DDR5 isn't even a technology now, so we'll see. Yeah, you see a lot of these, RGB. This does not post RGB. This doesn't actually post anything. But still, the looks of this make it look heavy gaming. But if you take a closer look at this, this is so obviously what is going on? Like, I think this is AI. It's pretty much AI. It feels AI. Like, I get this might be an anti-sports true case, but I'm not sure about anything in it. Like, the GE Force are so, it looks so weird. It feels like a 20 series GPU, but it's has such winner text here. But not only this, oh, finally, proper computer. It's not even gaming, so it's fine. It's Lenovo. Who doesn't like Lenovo? Oh, this is an OG from the first video. Oh boy, I think I was trying to rip this off. This might be a true case. 1 TB hard disk drive, okay. T's and HDD. Again, I don't know what's with these computer brands apparently, and their i7 4770s and their GT 730s. It might be like, oh, it's just 40k. What's like USD to not INR to USD? How much? So not USSD. Uh, uh, 40k is like almost 500 US dollars, alright? It's first of all, hold on. Just because it's this cheap, it doesn't have to mean that you get the worst performance. Because any which ways, if you have this, you would need to upgrade it to a point where you can play games. And like, again, DDR3, the processor sucks for its price. The GT 730 isn't even a GDDR3. That's how old it is. It's honestly crazy. Chist gaming PC. 9. Okay. 6 core. 6 thread. Alright. I'll not get that for that thing alone. It gets slightly finer now. Oh boy. This is really crazy. It hasn't gotten any better. Alright. If I want to be honest, or not if I want to, I will be honest with you. Instead of like trying to find computers on Amazon, Amazon is not a place where you should find computers. If anything, there are designated websites. Like, well, and something went wrong with the recording at the very end. I still don't know what went wrong exactly. But what I was trying to express is that you can go on websites like Gamation. I'm not saying that you should, right? It's your opinion. It's your choice to decide what website you want and do not want to go on. It's actually always going to be up to you. So, for example, you can go up to Gamation and find good deals like an RTX 3070 for TI for a 28k INRD, which is amazing for the price. I mean, if you take a look at that, wait, hold on, wait, let me just do a thumbs up. Oh, an Ubuntu package something, I don't know what this is. But if you were to go on Amazon, you will find a 30-50 or a 50-50 for a similar price. I think it's more of a 50-50, not a 30-50. But what you'll find is that a 30-70 will still outperform a 50-50. And if you're planning to buy a laptop, this immediately outperforms that too. So that's what I was trying to express. There's still kind of a lot of time to explore into stuff. Um, Seconds remain. Well, 10 seconds left for the clip to end. Oh boy. Oh wait, a little bit more, and